Hello! In this video, I'll show you how to easily keep track of your income and expenses using this budget template. It's suitable for both beginners and those who have already tried other spreadsheets but want a more convenient and visual tool, setting up the period, currency, and balance. At the top, specify the dates of your budget period. For example, from November 1st to November 30th. Next to it, enter the currency symbol and it will automatically be applied throughout the template. There's also a rollover field here. This is the balance carried over from the previous period. If you have money left over that you want to carry into the new month, just enter the amount and it will be added to your current budget. Categories. The template is already divided into main sections: income, savings and investments, accounts, expenses, and debts. In each section, you can customize the categories to suit your needs. For example, in the income section, there are default categories such as salary, business, side jobs, dividends, deposit interest, and commissions. In the accounts section, you'll find internet, electricity, and water. In the expenses section, there are groceries, transportation, and entertainment, budget planning. In the expected column, enter how much you plan to receive or spend. For example, salary, $1,000, business, $3,000, side job, $200. When you add actual transactions to the transaction list, the actual column will fill in automatically, and the difference column will immediately show the gap between your plan and reality. Managing transactions. At the bottom, you'll find the transaction list. It's simple here: date, transaction type, category, amount, and an optional comment if you wish. When you select a category, the list is loaded from the specific section where you set it up. For example, if you choose income, you can specify salary, business, or side job. If you select bills, you can enter internet, electricity, or water. If you select expenses, your categories will be pulled up automatically. All transactions are automatically reflected in the top table and chart. Summary and charts. A convenient summary is always available at the top of the template. The summary chart compares the planned and actual amounts for each section. Actual allocation shows the distribution of actual expenses. And in top expenses, you can see the largest expenditures. Key figures are automatically calculated nearby: total income, expenses, and the remaining amount you can still spend. All data is updated immediately after transactions are entered. When the period ends, simply duplicate the budget tab. This way, you can keep all months in one file and track the trends. That's it. The template remains simple yet very flexible. You set up the categories yourself, quickly add transactions, and immediately see the results in the summary and charts. You can download this template from my Etsy shop. The link is below the video. Happy budgeting!